Hi everybody, Steve Griffiths here, developer of the MTPredictor software program. In today's video I thought I'd look at a few Forex charts, as we don't tend to look at Forex charts in these videos that often. So I just want to skip through a few of the Forex charts we tend to look at on a daily basis to see any MTPredictor setups recently. You can see here Australian dollar, US dollar. We had a TS4 sell a few days ago, and that trade is in the process of unfolding. Remember, we use correct position sizing to gauge the number of lots, contractual shares. In this case it's mini lots to keep the initial risk small under control. We also have many other advanced tools or advantages for Forex traders, in particular the way we have our pips set here. So very easily, under the preferences for MTPredictor, we can actually select the minimum lot size you are trading. You can see at the bottom here you can either select none, which means you actually see the actual underlying currency value, or you can select whatever size lots you're doing. In this case we're having a look at the mini lots, so that can be changed really easy for you. We also have a pip value multiplier here that also takes account of non-US dollar based cross rates automatically, and you'll see that in a couple of cross rates time. So let's just skip through here. Let's have a look at all of these. Let's have a look at the Euro CHF, and you can see here we had a TS3 sell come in last week, and that seems progressing down nicely as well. But also notice how the pip value has changed. So in other words, we automatically adjust the pip value for you based on the current exchange rates to make sure that your non-US dollar based Forex cross rate is then brought back into US dollars. So in other words, this is a Euro Swiss franc EUR CHF chart, but the pip value is now brought back into US dollars. This means that your initial risk for your position sizing is kept constant no matter what cross rate you do. And again, this is all handled automatically in MTPredictor for you. So that's another advantage we have in MTPredictor for you Forex traders. Let's have a look at the Euro GBP. Anything going on here? Well, we've had a sharp decline here recently, and the decline here started from the DP. You can see here from the DP, from that prior swing high, so that's where that decline started. Let's have a look at just another one, the Euro JPY. At the moment here we had a market declining down, and it looks like there's a potential DP buy setup here as well. Let's have a look at the next one, Euro USD. Here's my analysis I was doing earlier. You see we had a wide range day that came back in and caught that prior setup. In fact, actually, if you'd had your analysis on that prior day, you'd have got in a bit tighter. But whether you would have actually cancelled your order first, you may well have done that. You may well have avoided that particular trade. Let's have a look at the GBP AUD. This one here, we have a nice trade in the process of unfolding down here as well. Got well past the 100% initial risk level, so you'd have your stop at break even on that particular trade. Let's keep going down through the list. GBP, JPY. Here's my analysis I did earlier on this one. A TS3 buy setup a few days ago, got up to the first target, and just look at that, a 4.2R profit. This is where the position sizing comes in, because when your losing trades come through, which they will do, any professional trader knows that you'll always get losing trades. The losses are kept small at what we call one risk unit. So this profit here will be 4.2R, or 4.2 risk units, or 4.2 times greater than the initial risk. So a nice trade there on the GBP JPY. Let's have a look at the GBP US dollar. I've been following this one myself, as I'm based in the UK, and here, if I just clear the analysis off, we had a lovely TS3 buy setup here. I particularly like this trade setup because when the new Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, he's not new now, he's been with us for a little while, basically made an announcement on British interest rates. The British pound US dollar rallied strongly, but it was actually no surprise to MTPredictor users because they're already long the GBP USD up into the first target there, and as you can see, it's just reached that yesterday, where a nice 5.4R profit has just been realised at that first target there. So a lovely trade on the British pound over the last week there. Let's have a US dollar CAD. We have a TS3 sell here a few days ago, and that one is currently progressing nicely as well. Let's have a look at US dollar JPY as the last one we're looking at, and nothing particular there. So hopefully that's been a good example of a quick whistle tour of quite a few Forex charts on daily charts. And as you can see, the general idea has been that when you have profitable trades come through, for example on our GBP USD, that the profit is higher or much larger than the initial risk or the losses, and that's the whole key to successful trading and what MTPredictor is based upon. So for you Forex traders, hopefully that's been a good look at how MTPredictor has been unfolding over the last couple of weeks on basically a basket of a number of different Forex cross rates. I've just used daily charts just so I could skip through them quite quickly. And also just wanted to remind you, for you guys who are trading non-US dollar based cross rates, that our pit value here is automatically calculated and adjusted each day based on the current exchange rate to make sure that's brought back and is consistent in US dollars no matter what the cross rate. So that's absolutely vital if you are a Forex trader. Again, that's all part of the MTPredictor software program. In this case, our MTP RT add-ons for NinjaTrader 7.